Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to convert Figma design to a WordPress website. Start by launching your web browser and navigating to figma.com. This is where you will find your Figma design that you want to convert into a WordPress website. Within Figma, locate the name of the design project you want to convert. You will need this information for later steps, so make sure to copy it. Now open a new tab or window in your web browser and go to wordpress.com. This is the platform where you will be building your website. Within WordPress.com, navigate to the theme section and click on Editor. This is where you will customize the appearance and layout of your website. Once in the editor, locate the option for templates and click on it. This will allow you to manage and create templates for different parts of your website. Look for the option to add new template and click on it. This will prompt you to create a new template for your WordPress website. From the available template options, choose Custom Template. This will enable you to create a template based on your Figma design. In the Custom Template settings, you will be prompted to enter a name for your template. Paste the name of your Figma design that you copied earlier into this field. Once you have entered the design name, save your custom template settings. Your Figma design is now converted into a WordPress website template. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.